When we're looking at chirality, essentially what we're looking at is specifically a line of symmetry within the molecule itself. So whether there is a line of symmetry or not. If something is chiral, that means there is no line of symmetry within the molecule. Like let's say if I were to look at this specific case. If I were to look at this molecule here, the left side, this left side, does not look like the right side of the molecule, right? There is no line of symmetry. There's no way I can cut this molecule apart to make it look the same on either side. That's why I know this has to be chiral. Another factor, or another thing to look at, is just the simple fact of the molecule's mirror image. If it's different and non-superimposable. So the molecule's mirror image is going to be different. That's why there is no line of symmetry. However, if there was a line of symmetry, then its mirror image would be the exact